Yeah, I've been receiving ama-WhatsApp messages, nama-emails, even nama-Facebook inboxes abantu bengibuza about indaba bengibuza nge-robot, befuna ama-robot abanye befuna ukuthi bathole ulwazi kwi-trading since I've been loading ama-result ami e-trading ku-YouTube. If you can go ku-YouTube wami uzobona indlela engi-trade ngayo. So leyo nto leyo yenze ukuthi ngigcine-ke sengenze i-robot elizo-assist abantu-ke ngoba to do i-trading akuyona into elula and i-trading ine-risk. Ifuna i-trading uyazi and u-understand ukuthi how does it work, ngoba failing to do that uzothola ukuthi uzolimala kakhulu. But kukhona into othola ukuthi yenziwa i-robot umuntu engakaze ayenze, ngoba umuntu angathi uma trade with ama-emotions. I-robot-ke I'll-trade with ama-emotions because it's something creative. I've created my first robot elisebenza laphaya ku-MT5 kwi-step index, othi uma ngabe ul-plug-e in then wali-add-a kwi-chat yakho livula i-position, uma likuvulela i-position then that position izoset to take profit no stop loss. Take profit wakhona likunikeza about $40. When you calculate $40, uconvert emalini South Africa, it's 640. So i-stop loss sakhona u-12, yabo. So i-auto trade, if you add kwilento kwi-chat yakho, you must make sure ukuthi you set algo trading ibe on so that i-robot lizokwenza njani, lizokwenzela imali. So into ezokwenzeka to those abafuna uku-order i-robot, abafuna ukuba ne-robot, nansi inamba lapha ezansi, you may WhatsApp me on this number and then uplace i-order, ngikuthumelele ilento ama-files mese ngikukhombisa ukuthi ulisethe kanjani. On top of that, I will assist you with ama-guidelines basics nje kwi-trading and then ne-strategy sami ukuthi how do I do i-scalping as I'm doing i-5-minute scalping. So naleli robot lizokusiza ekuthenini ukwazi nawe ukuthi u-tradele with that amount ya $40. It doesn't mean ukuthi usuku lonke lizokwenza $40, but i-position mali ivulile isethwe ukuthi nje thatha i-profit ka-$40. You can calculate if ungathi 640 times 30 ngakunikeza u-19,000. So ungawuthola lapho u-19,000 ngenyanga if kuthiwa awusebenzi kwesinye isikhathi. We know ukuthi it's not easy for us ukuthi abantu bangenza so much money, kodwa with this assistance aleli robot you can make more than even u-19,000. Mina if you can go kuma-YouTube you will see ama-results ama-trading ngoba I'm using i-scalping 5 minutes time frame. So I'm scalping. When I scalp, I grab those small profits. I've got a target ukuthi okay, I'm working 18 hours in a day. In an 18 hours ngifuna ukwenza malini, ngifuna ukwenza u-10,000, kodwa uthola ukuthi I'm making more than 10,000, maybe 20,000 ngosuku. So wena-ke ngikwenzele kwaba lula ukuthi ube ne-robot. I-robot lizokusiza ekutheni livula ama-position. Once lavula i-position yokuqala, then you will add amanye ama-positions wena. I-position uma ine-profit you close, open close, open close, open close, open close. And then okunye-ke ngizobe sengikusiza ngikukhombisa ukuthi okay, naka ama-levels or ama-zones efuneka uwabheke in order to wenze njani uphume kwi-market ongabisaqhubeka. And then mawusuwavale wonke ama-positions akho futhi uthola ukuthi once wa-add nje wa-activate i-algo trading, i-robot lakho uli-addile kwi-chat, automatically izozivulela i-position and then livale futhi. So nje this is a Christmas gift kubantu bebekade becela bekhala sonke isikhathi belokhu bengibuza indaba ye-robot, nabanye befuna i-strategy nani nani. So I saw ukuthi it's not easy to train abantu okanye ukufundisa abantu since sekwaba khona no-COVID, and futhi ukufundela i-trading kuyisikhathi kudinga isikhathi. But with this robot I can be able ukuthi umuntu ngimsize ekuthenini ngimnikeze ama-basic lessons and asebenzise i-robot astike nje kwi-step index. By sticking kwi-step index usuku nosuku ngaba khona imali oyenzayo. So if you really want to test it, mina I've tested it izolo i-robot Ngiyangena kumuntu wamarobhothi but ngilithestile ngalibona ukuthi lisebenza kanjani ngoba mina I prefer to trade ngani manually ngobani ngiyakwazi ukuthi okay ngingena kuphi ngiphuma kuphi. I've got that discipline when it comes to i-management noba when it comes to risk management makukhulunywa ngakwe-trading. But-ke to those people abangakwazi ukutrade lingaba-assista kakhulu le robot and likuvulela ama-position liphinde likuvalele. After that nje uzokwazi uzobona nawe uma ungalinikeza nje ulizame for inyanga eyodwa